So hi Jayasankar, thank you for being
Hi,
here
hi,
in
Sai.
this Digital Marketing Internship Hall of Fame interview series, where we do the
Hi,
interviews with
thank
all
you.
the where we do all the interviews with all the interns in the past batches. So this Hall of Fame interview session purpose is to let other people know that how this digital marketing internship uh, will be beneficial for the other people who have not experienced this so far. Okay, so let's
Okay, great.
start. Let's start with Jayasankar, who was one of our intern in April 2020 batch. So hi Jayasankar.
Hi, Sai.
Yeah. So just introduce about yourself. Would love to know about you. Yeah.
My name is Jaishankar. I'm from UAE. I'm doing software trading business here, mainly into healthcare industry and all. And I have a company in software startup company in India. So I was handling the marketing activities of this company. So I thought I will learn little bit about the digital marketing, and I was searching through the websites and all. So I find Innomind Digital Academy there, and I contacted them. That's how I came to the Innomind Digital Academy team.
Okay. Okay.
And yes, that's it.
Okay, yeah, great. May I know what kind of business you are into currently? Which domain?
I'm into software trading business here in UAE. We are handling the GCC countries also. We have a development firm in Trivandrum, Kerala. So all into healthcare industry only.
Okay, okay. So may I know what kind of challenges you are actually facing from the marketing front?
Uh, yeah, now because of the COVID scenario, the pandemic issues and all, we were facing the marketing is really affected. We were unable
Hmm.
to go and meet our clients in installation based applications. So we were
Hmm.
really stuck.
Okay,
That time I thought of how can I overcome. So I
okay.
was searching through social media and all. I found Innomin Digital Academy there with a great solution.
Hmm.
So yeah, it is challenging now, but due to with the help of digital marketing, we are able to solve it.
Okay, so may I know how this digital marketing internship program has helped you to improve your marketing? If you compare it before actually getting into this internship and after, almost like completing this internship program, how your marketing has changed in your business? That's what I would love to hear from you.
Yeah, before we had a very little experience with the digital marketing. We build our website and everything, but when we start learning digital marketing in no mind digital academy, we understood the mistakes. We stories method was really working. We were able to get beautiful landings using a technique.
Okay, okay. So yes, so basically,
And copywriting method, the copywriting was improved. Our on page SEO score is increased now. FB ads and the campaign ad set, all those things we learned, and how to use the opt-in to get more leads from the website. And yeah, Google, we learned the basics of Google ads, tag Google tag manager, keyword planning, all those. Yeah, we got the basic things. Now we are waiting for the second level from the domain.
right. So can you tell me like how you have been able to monetize or earn out of your internship duration?
To be honestly, we didn't start any hardcore marketing till now, but
Mhm.
we tried for the training purpose. We introduced the landing pages and opt-in marketing using the Bloom interface and all. And we got 5 to 6 leads from that one. All are convertible, but
Okay.
we are waiting for some technical things to be
Mhm.
realizing that deals.
Okay,
It
great.
gives
So
some positive input.
okay, yeah, yeah. So thank you for sharing that. And may I know what are the three things you have liked the most about this internship program versus the courses which are available in the market? Yeah.
The first thing I want to mention is the mentorship sessions in the other online courses. There is you will get a bundle of this thing tutorial or the Google, and you have to learn it. But here we are getting each and every doubt we can post in the. There is a group, group for the interns, and also there is a messenger group also. So we can post our doubts. Maybe within 12 hours we will be getting the reply. And also there are a lot of mentorship sessions after each classes. So that is the first one. And the tutorials provided by InnoMind is very simple, and you people have recorded the full live classes. So whenever we are, we are a business busy people. So sometimes we may forget the basic things. So whenever we need, we can come to the portal, we can see it, and we can again refresh our knowledge. So it is a second thing. And the third and the best thing is the helping mind. It is great. You people are always there to help us, guide us. Even anytime we can contact you. That kind of friendship, the guiding from you, everything is appreciable.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So thank you, Jashankar, for sharing your experience, and looking forward to actually take you through to the next thing, which is the digital marketing lifestyle challenge. And I hope this will be uh, even much challenging than the internship program, because this is more over advanced level of thing, and we'll start shortly this. So thank you once again, Jashankar, for sharing your experience with the digital
Thank you.
marketing internship program. And if anyone of you want to find out when the next batch is starting, the link is right there in the description. Just click on that and you can actually register for the live webinar of this digital marketing internship program. Thank you so much, and I look forward to see you
Great,
in
great.
the live webinar of digital marketing internship.